In a message read out by Princess Lala Hasna, the King of Morocco, Mohamed VI, defended a shared vision for the development of Africa's maritime potential at the Africa for the Ocean panel held on 9 June 2025 in Nice, France, on the first day of the Third United Nations Conference on the Oceans. On a continental level, in addition to cooperating with the coastal countries, Morocco is committed to providing access to the Atlantic Ocean for the landlocked countries, particularly those in the Sahel, through the Royal Atlantic Initiative.
Notre vision d'une Afrique atlantique valorisant cet océan n'implique pas.
Our vision of an Atlantic Africa that makes the most of this ocean does not only involve the coastal countries, it also extends to the sister countries of the Sahel, which must be offered a structuring and reliable maritime outlet. It is in this same spirit of solidarity and shared prosperity that we have also initiated the African Atlantic Gas Pipeline project as an energy interconnection corridor and a vector for new geo-economic opportunities in West Africa.
Interconnexion énergétique et vecteur de nouvelles opportunités géo-économiques en Afrique de l'Ouest.
With 3,500 kilometers of coastline and 1.2 million square kilometers of maritime space, Morocco is also leading several national projects to develop the blue economy. For King Mohammed VI, the oceans can be exploited sustainably while guaranteeing territorial cohesion, food sovereignty, energy security, and climate resilience.
A entrepris la réalisation de plusieurs projets.
The kingdom has undertaken the construction of several structuring projects which have, in particular, redesigned the national port landscape, following the example of the large container port of Tangier Med and the future ports of Nador West Med and Dakhla Atlantique, which will be supported by an impressive logistical and industrial ecosystem.
Écosystème logistique et industriel.
Africa has over 30,000 kilometers of coastline and 38 coastal states, making it a maritime power. However, if it is to realize its full potential, it will have to face challenges such as insecurity, pollution, and the climate crisis which Africa is suffering without being the main culprit.
L'effort doit être collectif.
The effort must be collective because the challenge is not just national, it is continental. It's not enough to share an ocean. We have to think about it together, manage it together, and defend it together.
Le penser ensemble, le gérer ensemble, le défendre ensemble.
In this context, the King of Morocco is calling for a strategic review of Africa's maritime role through the promotion of the blue economy, the strengthening of South-South cooperation, and integration around ocean spaces, as well as the effectiveness of transatlantic synergies.